Hello friends and welcome! Today we are playing a game called Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. I heard that this game was fantastic. I believe it came out last year, 2013. I know nothing at all about it. I just heard someone really rave review about it. And even heard a couple people say it was their game of the year last year, so figured I better give it a shot. You do need to have a controller to play it. So, if you don't have one, you probably want to skip out, at least for now, or pick one up, even if it's, good enough. Let's lower this volume just a little bit more. I feel like I'm trying to talk over it. Okay. So, well, like I said, I'm going into this completely blind. No idea what to expect. Let's get it going. You can tell I think I'll like the soundtrack already. Well, someone obviously has died. Could this be the mother? Yep. Jump in after her. Well, that's a sad beginning. Oh shit. Very cool.
Nai! Nai! Ata! Ata, Nai! Ata!
Okay, so could these be the two brothers? Okay, hold triggers to interact. Little brother, big brother. Okay. Both are holding. Okay, so it looks like one control stick controls one, and the other does the other. Oh, wow. That's difficult. No problem. No problem. They actually move faster if I push both sticks. So they definitely have, like kind of a physics control over what they're interacting with. It's very cool. That's what I heard about this game, is that the control scheme was very unique. Ooh. Okay, we got a lever here. Do we need to pull this? Maybe we need to use the bigger brother. Let's get him out of the way. That'll do it.
Yeah!
There we go. Want to keep going forward. Turn. Okay. How do we get up? Let's jump? Up here somehow? We just... Aha! Gonna alley-oop him. Do it, little man. Alright. What's this here gonna do? Can lower that for the bro. Oh, this is really neat. Feels like you're playing a co-op game, but by yourself. Oh, now we're gonna have to use both. Oh god. Which direction do we... Okay. I'm actually rotating both sticks now. At the same time. That is cool. Alright, get the little guy on. We'll let him pull this feller out of here. Alright, moving on. Oh.
Hey. Afia. Iya, iya. Kulla. Nah. Maldaki. Sabe. Mafi sadi abaya. Vida wade.
Lea,
Ada. Tai. Haru saiki. Wela tarida. Amara. Fikano. Lada fi.
It's interesting, you can't... Obviously, I don't know if that's even a real language or not, but you can really tell what's going on just by listening to the tones of their voices and the way they're interacting. Or you can tell that the old man is like, no, there's nothing I can do. And they're like, please, please. He's like, well, there's one thing, maybe. And he gives us a map to get there. I'm guessing this is their dad. Okay. So whatever it is, it's gonna be our quest to find it. Where are we going? Let's see. Okay, we can rotate the map a little bit. Just going back on this. Climbing the rope back down, perhaps? Looks like it. Can you just jump down? Nope.
hey, Naya!
Not exactly sure where we're supposed to be going.
Hey, Nai.
Hey, Naya!
I think if you get them too far apart, it doesn't like it. Okay, so I need to climb back up. Just like get him back over to him. Okay. Can you climb down this? Sure can. Okay. Nothing we can do there. Jump up on this? No. The way the camera's pointing, we can't really turn it back the other way, so... Well, we can't turn it that way now. I could be totally going the wrong way. We'll see. Oh! This is new. Let's try this. What do we got down here? It's water. Okay, he can swim. Younger one does not like it. Not a surprise there, with what's happened to him in the past. This is really cool. I can tell I'm going to really enjoy this game. Already very glad I picked this up. So I guess we'll get back to our house. Looks like there's a dock down there. He doesn't care about it. Well, guess we'll go across this. Okay, there's the grave. Can't really do anything here. Is there any kind of... It doesn't give you much direction. Which is fine. I just don't want to make too boring of a video. Guess I could always edit it. I think we need to get down to those docks, maybe? Oh. Every now and then, my thumbs forget which character they're controlling. Okay, let's try and get a new way here. Can the little guy climb this too? Oh yeah. Okay. This looks more like where we should be going. Hey, fella. Didn't want to let us through.
Oda, when Hadi?
Nope. Showing him the map.
Oda, when Hadi?
Nah.
Umba!
Okay, how about you?
Atina!
Alright. Well, if he doesn't want to let us through, we'll have to figure out something else. Whoa.
Na, Mafi, Isada.
Iya da.
Na, Mafi, Padi na.
Tabi ana. Bisayem? Nai? Mata? Huh?
Falila.
Ah.
Okay, yeah, so he doesn't want to get in the water like we expected. Seems like he's gonna... Hold trigger to interact, little brother. He's just gonna ride on his back. Okay. No problem. Think we can get through that stuff. To go under here, maybe?
Naya!
There we go. Should both be able to climb this. Locked us out. What a dickhead. He left. Can we alley-oop this too? Guess not. Climb anything over here? No. This bush? No. Nothing there. What else we got around here? Camera doesn't want to rotate to the right. It'll go this way though, a little bit. Interesting. I was thinking maybe we could alley-oop it or something like we did before, but does not appear so. What if we both pound? Nothing. cracks in the fence. Doesn't look like we can even climb back down. Okay. Well, how about the bridge? Oh. Anything of
Atta!
interest?
Da! Atta!
What are you pointing at?
Nayi! Hon! Yeah!
Okay, so if you do an interaction, we're just standing around, they just get frustrated.
Atta!
Can't climb that? Well. There's gotta be something we can do with this door. What am I missing here? Why can't we just push it open? Both of us together. This is gonna take us back down to the water. Progression is difficult in this game. I was telling you to get on him. Come on. We're gonna take another swim, see if we can find anything else. There we go. Okay, I won't even let us swim any further. Okay. So it has to be something right here that we do. This rock wall. Come on now. This has to be something. It is. Okay. Whoa. Nice. Nice. Okay, can they both do that? There we go. Okay. God, I feel like a dumbass. I looked at that once, but didn't grab it. Can jump that. Hop up there. Going across. It's like you want to take your time and, you know, control one brother at a time, but then it's like, I can handle both. Alright. We're in town. Nice flower. Okay, yep, figured that out. Looks like an argument going on down here, and this fella's sleeping. Okay. Well, I think I'll pause it here. This is a good first look at Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. I'll definitely be continuing this game. If you find it interesting at all, drop a comment below, and I'll make a series out of it. Otherwise, I'll just play it by myself online, offline, either way. Very good game, though. Interested to see where this goes. I love the mechanics of it. Looks like it's going to have a pretty cool story as well, so should be a lot of fun. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!